Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today I will be teaching you how to remove the rear seat's armrest. Okay, this is for the Proton Inspira, aka Lancer 08. So as you can see, I've removed the back seats, and this makes it easier, but you can actually remove this while this is in the car. So all you need is actually a flathead screwdriver. The next thing you need to do is not for the faint-hearted, which is to open this portion. Okay, you can see, put your screwdriver in and try to pry the trimmings out. Okay. Oh look, I actually pried the clip out already. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, then do the same on this side as well. Okay, same thing, there's a clip over here, just pry the clip open. Okay, so now what you want to do is to remove the plastic over here, the black color plastic. Okay, so there will be another one over here as well. Okay, so now you have these two plastic out. What you need to do is pull this to the side until it pops out. Okay. Once one side is pop up, just lift it and pull it the other way. And there you have it. It's out. Okay. Good luck.